Hey, what I like about this right here is the beautiful expansive kitchen, really nice island. Opens up into your family room there as well. You've got a larger burner, which is kind of fun for a bigger, maybe heavier boiling opportunities. But I love this little section right here, which is really neat. A little love sack kind of a vibe here. You can overlook your pool out there in the patio with your beautiful private acreage. Hey, welcome into this amazing room here that you've got this nice propane stove right there. Love the wood ceilings in here. It's a beautiful family room. We've got a nice pool table set up in here. You can do that or just have a nice movie room. You've got the nice little entertainment center right there as well. But you can see you're just overlooking absolutely stunning, beautiful acreage with lots of beautiful trees. A nice, real cool feature in here is that you've got this door that goes out to the pool. And you've got this little day spa feel as you can come right in. It's basically a wet room. So you get the shower, everything goes right out to the pool. What you can do and come right in, walk right into a walk-in shower, and then you can dry off and get cleaned. Or if you're working in the yard, you can do that as well, and then enter into the home.